Still in our lyrical category, let's welcome to the stage at number 24, Runaway Heart.
Run